Today, the U.S. government shut down. It is time, America, to wake up and realize the federal government is wasting our hard-earned money. Hundreds of thousands of federal employees facing indefinite furloughs, left without pay. It is very difficult to even pay our bills. The 20% medical copay is astronomical. Seniors are losing their homes. America, we need to take charge and band together to stabilize our financial peace of mind. Please join me and all Americans to make this happen. You can join me at www.money65.com. That is MONEY, the number 6, the number 5.com, or call my hotline, which is open now, 928-208-5842. God bless America.